I don't care about the job.
You better care about the job because you're gonna be homeless.
No, I have another
No.
another job
Nope.
already.
I can't. I won't let you go. You have to. You're gonna die with me.
You want a kiss?
We have this Rolls-Royce Spectre here. We are putting 24-inch Vossen wheels on here. We're gonna lower this thing too right now. So this is the car that we did the paint match. You guys remember we did a lot of the chrome pieces, silver pieces, everything's matched to the body color. So now only thing left, we're waiting for the wheels. They're here. 24s, tires, slammed, paint, matching, beautiful Spectre. Bye.
Let me talk about this Spectre. This beautiful version is one that we blacked out completely using paint. This is not a wrap. All the chrome that used to be chrome obviously has now turned black with paint. The only thing we wrapped is this front grille. This customer opted to do the black chrome. He wanted like a black chrome style, kind of like the black badges. The black badge is not out for the Spectre yet. This one is cool because it is another special edition. It actually does have the black badge emblem. So you see the black and the chrome inverted. That is how the black badges come. So pretty cool to see that. It goes really good together. Like I said, we painted all this, painted the Spirit, painted all the window moldings, door handles, all that stuff. And then we put on these Vossen wheels right here in this gunmetal finish. And we also lowered it a tad bit. So this car is actually getting picked up on a tow truck. That's why the guys are working on it right now, cleaning it up, making sure everything's good. It's off to its new home in Texas. So this is going all the way to Texas. And it's gonna be a stunner out there, honestly, because you don't see them like this out there. Yeah, let us know your thoughts on this one. This is a really, really nice spec. It's kind of like an OEM Plus look. We didn't lower it too much. It doesn't even have tints on there. So really nice with the white, blue, and black triple tone interior as well.
Pedro. Hey, ¿qué pasó, papito?
Good morning.
How's your weekend?
Relaxing.
No way.
You?
How you can have a relaxing weekend? Oh.
You didn't have one?
I can.
Why?
I was thinking on this car.
You were working here?
Huh?
You were here working all weekend?
I came Saturday, but a little bit. And then I go to Tijuana.
Oh, you went to Tijuana?
Yeah. I went to see my paisanos.
Yeah. Did you
A lot of
party?
paisanos over there.
Went out there and partied, huh?
Actually, it's
For your birthday, you celebrated?
good. It's good. Fun.
It's
You
fun.
know, they call it la Cahuila place. No, I don't go la Cahuila, no. But it's cool.
Yeah, you had fun?
Actually, yes.
Yeah.
Some shots, yeah. And fun.
Fun.
All right, guys, we have a SVJ right here. This is a balloon white SVJ, and it's a matte color. Looks incredible. It has those bronze wheels on there. Pretty much a bone stock SVJ. It's actually refreshing. It has a stock exhaust, and I love the way it sounds, to be honest. Not obnoxious, and it feels like a little jet, so it's pretty cool. This car really is here because, unfortunately, this customer wrecked his rear diffuser. The diffuser is completely carbon, and it is cracked up. Unfortunately, carbon like this, when it's this bad, needs to be replaced. We gave him the option of fixing it, but we would have to paint the whole diffuser in black. He was thinking about it, but I think he's gonna go to the route of changing it. So this is about a $30,000 diffuser, OEM. So we're gonna see what he decides here and do that. But obviously, for the integrity of the value of the car, it's better to change it to carbon because, you know, came with the carbon. And then also his roof is carbon, which is an optional part, very expensive, but he has some damages on that as well, scratches, corner. All this happens when you try to put it in the front. As you guys know, on this car, it goes in the front compartment and it's very tight and they like touch each other, all that stuff. So we're gonna fix that for him too. But other than that, this is a really, really nice spec'd out SVJ, and we're gonna fix it for him.
You notice everybody's in a bad mood today because it's hot.
Everyone's tired.
It's 105 degrees
Yeah, yesterday.
today. It's bad.
Yeah, it's been super hot. It's been super. Tomorrow's worse too. I heard tomorrow's worse. 108 or something tomorrow.
Really? Jesus.
All right, guys. You guys are familiar with this car. You guys have seen this car because we did it. Still, after all these months, super clean. We're gonna do some pinstriping for this to match the interior of the color, interior of the orange. So nothing crazy, but we're gonna do a lot of pinstriping on the carbon pieces and stuff to make it look nice to match the interior. And that's about it for this one.
All right, folks, we got 5 Spectres here. We're gonna do a quick walk around. That is the black and orange Spectre. There's a bucket in the way. I'm gonna move that real fast because this is not supposed to be here, but everything is workflow here. So that's the black and orange one. We're gonna be doing an orange pinstripe. That's why you see that knifeless tape hanging on the side over there. It's also got the RDB Trendsetter wheels. This is the one that used to have the silver wheels, but the customer wanted to convert them to black. So now they are gloss black. And honestly, now it looks really, really aggressive. We have another Spectre over here. As you can see, this Spectre is going to be the full Mansory job. This is gonna have every piece of Mansory exterior forged carbon fiber that they have. So excited about that. This is gonna be the first really significant Mansory build for a Spectre. And it's gonna look crazy. It has wheels on it now, but we are going to be putting Mansory wheels on that as well. We have another Spectre here. This is actually getting the full 1016 Industries forged carbon fiber kit. It's gonna be fully done up. As you can see, the hood is off because we're putting a full forged carbon hood on there. And this is gonna be a black and red theme Spectre. So pretty cool to see that. It's about 4 Spectres in this little circle. We're gonna have to go this way and find this other Spectre. This car actually is not here for much work. It is here for a little bumper touch-up, fix-up. We're gonna be trying to buff it for him. If not, we're gonna be painting it. But it is a beautiful Spectre. It has this beautiful tan pinstripe that matches the tan interior. It also has the full polished wheel. He hit a pothole, so we're getting him a new cap for that as well because he's missing the cap. But yeah, that's 5 Spectres here at RDB. All of them getting work done. None of them are here for rental or whatever purposes. All of them are jobs. We're super proud that we're able to have 5 Spectres at one time and do them. We also have 3 Phantoms here right now. So it's crazy to see, but yeah, thanks for watching. The Lamborghini Temerario.
What are these weird names they come up with?
I know there's going to be like the hybrid haters, but this is going to be the new Huracan. That's turbos on there. 4-liter twin turbo V8 with 3 electric motors, 789 horsepower, and 10,000 RPM redline. Like, do you guys realize how fun that car would be? The name sucks, but I like this.
It's up there, Steve.